A few videos ago I bought these, $1.75 at Dollar Tree. They're only lasting about 2 hours outside. Now that could actually be because of it's winter here and we have poor sunshine. It also could be the batteries, could be design. It could be the fact that with all those LEDs in there, it's drawing it down real quick. But I'm going to test out the batteries. This one here just came out of one. These two were out of other ones. So I'm going to see, oops. See what this thing says about them. So at this point, this one shows fully charged. It took 11 milliamp hours. I don't know how fully charged this was to start with, but what I'm going to do is put it in the light. Flip it over so that it's no longer charging, and see how long it runs. The time right now is 6:33. So the other two now are fully charged, and I'll actually put one of those into a light. Off camera, obviously. And now this one here can start discharging. And then eventually what I'll do is, once they've discharged, I'll charge them up again and then see how much usable milliamp hours are in each of these batteries. So this could take a while. Well, for me, not you. Okay, it's been over 5 hours. These things are still lit. So guess what? It's not the batteries that are the problem. So what I'm going to do is let these fully discharge, then I'm going to charge them up again and actually see what their capacity is. But I'm betting now that the problem is I'm simply not getting enough sunlight to charge the batteries. Oh, this one finally turned off. It only ran for 14 hours and a bit. This one ran for 5 hours and a bit. So what I'm going to do now is put them on the charger. And see how long it takes for it to charge. Or take how much charge it takes. Okay. You all seated? Good. So now I'll just record the time and continue along. So they're now fully charged. Comes in at 165 milliamp hours. Both of them bang on. These batteries are rated at 200 milliamp hours. The fact that one of them lasted over the whole night is pretty good. So obviously it's not the batteries that are an issue. These are nickel cadmium. If you're from Europe, you're going, hey, wait, you can't have those anymore. Well, in North America, where you're willing to live a bit more dangerously and have lots of cadmium in our environment, eventually these will be banned. And they'll have to dump them on somebody else's country. But, oops, obviously the batteries are not an issue. So let's look at the circuit. It's a standard garden variety. I'll put in the corner which chip this is. Oh, maybe I can actually read it. Yeah, I can't, but I'll put it in the corner which chip this is. It's a pretty standard circuit now, so they pretty well can't screw up on that. So that leaves The solar cells. It's a 3.5 of them. And I'm not even going to blame these things. I think it's just simply I don't have enough sunlight here now in the wintertime. Even where I put them, it doesn't get really direct sunlight because the sun's so low on the horizon. So I'm going to say these garden lights are working perfectly fine. They just simply need a much larger solar panel um, for this environment. So here's a schematic of it. You've got the battery here that goes in there. You got your solar cell here, there. The chip has 4 pins. I'll put in the corner there. The pin out. This is a very standard garden light. The inductor here determines the amount of current coming over here. The inductor on this one is gray, red, black, silver. The gray is 8, the red is 2, the black is the multiplier, which is times 1, and silver indicates the accuracy, I guess, 10%. So this works out to be 82 microhenries. In the corner there, I'll show the chart. So this one actually is essentially driving or supplying 15 milliamp over here. The LEDs, initially I thought they're in series. No. I got a picture of it in the corner there, and I just went in through each of the LEDs, taking a look at them. They're all wired the same way. So there's 8 LEDs in total in parallel. So that's about it for this. It's pretty standard. So obviously the device is made properly. It's just not enough sunlight. Oh well.